In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how many views your Blogger blog is getting and how to gain more detailed insights using Google Analytics. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, understanding your audience is crucial, and today we'll dive into that process step by step. First, let's take a look at Blogger's built-in statistics tools. Start by signing in to your Blogger account and selecting the blog you want to monitor. Once you're on the desired blog, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Stats. This is where your blog's basic analytics are housed. Another way you might see it is through an option that says More Stats next to your page views. By clicking on Stats, you open up a page where a graph appears, showing you an overview of your page's views. Now, the view options you have include various time frames like now, day, week, month, and all time. This allows you to see not only real-time statistics, but also check how your blog has been performing historically. If you're curious about how individual posts are doing, Blogger has you covered. Simply click on the Posts subcategory under the Stats menu. This will present you with view counts for each entry, so you can see which of your posts are resonating most with your audience. While Blogger offers a good snapshot of your blog's performance, the platform's statistics are quite basic. For those who are serious about analytics, let me introduce you to Google Analytics. Google Analytics offers a robust set of tools to gain deeper insights into your blog. With Google Analytics, you can explore detailed visitor behavior, understand bounce rates, and scrutinize traffic sources, which are key to maximizing your blog's potential and reach. Setting up Google Analytics is straightforward. Head over to the Google Analytics website and create an account if you haven't already. The platform will guide you through creating a property, and this is where you'll receive your unique G-Tracking ID. That's your gateway to much more detailed data. Once you have that crucial G-ID, return to your Blogger dashboard. Navigate to your settings, still under the blog you are managing. Within Settings, you'll find the Google Analytics measurement section nestled under Basic. Here, you simply paste your G-ID into the designated field. After pasting the ID, click Save. Now, patience is key, as it might take up to 24 hours for data to start flowing into your analytics dashboard. However, once the setup is complete and everything is linked, you'll have access to a wealth of information about how your audience interacts with your content. There you have it, a straightforward way to monitor your Blogger blog's performance and a pathway to deeper insights with Google Analytics. By leveraging these tools, you'll be empowered to better understand your audience and tailor your content to their interests, leading to a more engaged and consistent readership. Thanks for tagging along, and best of luck with your blogging journey.